I'm Kim, and I've been coming to Mirror Image for about 5 months now. It's been good, and I'm definitely seeing the changes and new hair growth. So I'm anxious to see, where we'll be in another 6 months. But we started with the PRP and ordered me all of the vitamins that I needed. We had that testing done. Then I use a topical and the laser cap, and just come in about every 3 months now. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, because if you want to style it and box it up, you can take it with you as well. I just got back from a trip, and that was nice, having my hair completely ready to go just once I got there. Just put it on, and it saves a lot of time. Oh, she's hilarious. She's great. They're all great. They're very caring. They're always there too. Like if I have a problem when I'm at home, Leslie's always getting right back to me. But no, they're great. They're inspiring, and they're a lot of fun. I would say start sooner. Don't ever let it go like what I did. And then I would go with it. I would go with PRP because I'm seeing significant growth in my hair. I believe in the vitamins, and making your gut right.